In this video, I am going to show you how to create an animation on Canva in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Even if you have never used Canva before, you can easily follow along and animate text, images, or elements in just a few minutes. First, open Canva in your browser or app and log in using your email account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Canva dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options like designs, videos, presentations, and templates. You can start by opening any random template, or you can scroll through and choose something that matches what you want to create. When you find a template you like, click on Customize this template to begin editing. After the template opens, you'll be taken to the main Canva editor. From here, decide what type of animation you want to create. Click on the video option and choose either landscape or mobile video, depending on where you plan to use your animation. For example, landscape works well for YouTube, while mobile is better for Instagram or TikTok. Once selected, Canva may take a few seconds to load the editor. Now it's time to add animated elements. Go to the Elements section on the left side and search for what you want to animate. This could be a person, an object, an icon, or even shapes. For example, you can search for a person and select any graphic that you like. Once the element appears on the canvas, click on it to reveal editing options at the top, such as background, position, erase, borders, and more. To animate the element, click on the Animate option at the top. On the left side, you'll now see different animation styles you can apply. These include options like fade, pan, rise, spray, sketch, and many others. Click on each one to preview how it looks. Choose the animation that best fits your design. You can repeat this process for text, images, or multiple elements to make your animation more engaging. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to export your animation. Click on Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose the file format you want, such as MP4 for videos, and click Download again. Canva will start processing your file, and once it's done, your animated design will be saved to your device.